Baon nyo! Kiss!
Ayaw nga.
Patiri daw, Jay!
Thank you so much.
Okay, diretso na natin to. Stay na kayo dyan.
Stay na po dyan.
So, ang next award na tatawagin natin ay yung ating mga major awards na. Which is
Lasing na si Gia.
Second runner-up.
second runner-up.
Ay, teka, bakit ganyan?
Tama ba?
So, eto yun. Bali, second runner-up, first runner-up, and then our grand winner.
Okay. First na tatawagin natin ay ang ating second runner-up.
Okay, so, to present the awards, meron tong cash prize.
May cash prize. Ito na, yung pinagpagura natin.
Oo, may cash prize ito. 500 pesos plus
Hawak kamay ba sila?
cash.
Ilan ba?
Oo, 500.